Welcome back, Israel, to your Caribou Data Science channel. And also, Israel, welcome to my Twitch live stream. I'm now streaming live on Twitch this under the banner of Dave's data analytics. So welcome to the live stream, all my followers and friends in the country of Israel. And to my followers on YouTube, I say shalom and welcome to the daily COVID-19 analysis for the country of Israel. I also want to point out, if you want to join in the fun of joining the fun of the Dave's Data Analytics live streams on Twitch, those live streams are twice a day right now, 2 p.m. New York time and 8 p.m. New York time, which of course is daylight savings time right now. Okay, and there will be a link in the description below to my to my Twitch channel. We can go out and you could subscribe and follow Dave's Day. You can follow me live on Twitch. Okay. So anyway, Israel at one point was having some really good numbers. Of course, now you are beginning to see. We were talking a full vaccination rate above 60%. And at one point, your case and deaths were falling like a rock. But you know what? I got good news. Your deaths are still very low. Even for a country the size of Israel, your COVID deaths on a daily, weekly basis are still very low. We also need to remind ourselves, at least in the U.S., the vaccines used in the U.S., maybe Israel, are not designed to keep you from getting COVID-19. They are designed to reduce, again, not eliminate, to reduce the chances of you dying from COVID-19. Very important to keep in mind. Because what that means in theory is, you can be fully vaccinated and cases can still skyrocket and you can still get deaths, but hopefully not as many deaths as there was without the vaccine. Okay, so let's go and get started here. See exactly what Israel's numbers look like right now. Okay, you can see currently Israel is reporting 956,000 cases plus 6,704 deaths. Here's a bit of how concerned should we be about this? The question is, how many of these people were vaccinated? Okay, how many of these people were hospitalized? Now, I want to point out we don't want to overreact to news about hospital beds and cases, because according to Washington University's on their COVID-19 site, Washington University says the single best measure of the spread of a pandemic is daily deaths, not cases and not hospital beds. So don't panic or don't lose any sleep over the whole question of cases and hospital beds right now. Okay, but you can see on the 16th you spiked at 8,698 cases. On the 17th, that number dropped back down to 8,252. We have a 7-day average as of August the 14th of 6,534 cases per day. Now we can look at deaths. You can see deaths are spiking, but they're still, first of all, they're still well below the big number back over here. And then again, this could simply be a spike percent, because you can see that you spiked up to 46 deaths on August the 15th. On August the 17th, that number came back down to 17. Interesting, huh? You have a 7-day moving average as of August the 14th of 19 deaths per day. And that's probably a better daily number because it cuts through the volatility, like all this volatility. But look, of course, you were way down here at one point. But you know what? COVID-19 may never go away. And COVID-19 deaths may never go away. Okay? Because as long as there's one case of COVID-19 in Israel, there's a chance that that person will die. Okay? Just something to think about. Here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 week climb in cases. Although this week it appears it may fall back down below the spike here. Maybe this is the beginning of a new downward trend in cases in Israel. Okay. Now here's the weekly deaths. This number right there is about 100 deaths for the week. So you're down about 70 to 75 deaths per week, which is still well below these two peaks over here. Okay? To sit there and say it doesn't work, yes, it does work. Okay? Yes, it does work. It is reducing deaths in Israel right now. Okay? Monthly cases, you can see July and August numbers were up, although August numbers are still going to be below these numbers right there and this number here. So that's good news. August cases, right? Still a lot lower than 200,000, 190,000 you had up here for a single month, all right? And what about deaths? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months in a row now, your deaths have finished below this peak back over here, okay? And you can even say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row now, it's finished below this peak over here and below this peak over here. So don't overreact even to deaths. You're currently around 200 deaths, okay, for the month of August, okay? Okay. So anyway, so that does conclude your report for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hey, and thanks so much for joining me on my Twitch stream today. Of course, as I said before, if you click on that on the description in the YouTube video, you'll see a link to the Twitch stream, and you can join us. You can click on the link and join us, join in all the fun on Twitch with Dave's data analytics. Uh, this is Monday through Friday streams, 2 p.m., which is mainly COVID-19, and at 8 p.m., which is R programming, R programming and Tabula. Okay, we'll be looking at various data sets and try to draw some conclusions from them using very simple, data visualization techniques. By all means, of course, as always, don't forget to click the subscribe button. On Twitch, click the follow button, please. And also, don't forget to click on that share button, share the video on Facebook and Twitter. You can also copy and paste the link into an email or text message and share it that way. Again, thanks so much for your time, Israel. We'll catch you tomorrow with an updated report.